Hello, everyone. This is Jay from Tiny Wonderland, and this is not your normal intro to a Tiny Wonderland episode. And the reason for that is because the intro corrupted when I was filming it, and although I tried to retrieve it several times, I was not successful in doing so. This is a full disclaimer that the following episode may contain content unsuitable for young individuals, as well as things that generally wouldn't be considered PC for the general public. This is a completely uncensored interview, and honestly, I wish more people in the world were like the man we're about to meet. So I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going in the hole, hang on!
Okay.
That's okay, we're in the hole! It's okay, it's okay! Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for Cargo Trailer Conversion, or Cargo Trailer Camper, or Cargo Trailer Crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
I do way more stupid shit too.
than you did in there. Oh, look, your closet's right here.
Closet's kind of in the entryway because you use your closet mostly for your cold jackets and shit, so why build something to where you're going to be hanging them up all the time?
Yeah, I get it.
I use the hooks for stuff daily, and then I have Gemma's hooks, which I don't really use that often. I should probably just take this down because we don't use this almost at all.
Oh, wow.
Her service dog training has come so far. She's really good in public.
So she's labeled a service dog, then she doesn't bite.
No.
Oh, she just
has a little. She's a puppy, man. She's 2. She'll get better as she gets older.
Well, he's smart enough to wear helmets.
Oh yeah, otherwise you'll die.
Yeah.
I have a lot of hang-up stuff.
Yeah.
It's just me. It's built more of a bachelor pad.
Hey, nothing wrong with that,
There's
man.
room to store shoes up under here.
Right.
I like the rough cut look. I like the saw skip. If I ever want to change it, I could, but I really like it.
Oh, wow, yeah.
And then I have my library up here.
Oh, wow, look at all that.
There's a full library up here. I got some of my books out on the counter. Because I've been doing
that's something we should mention. Zach is
I'm a massage therapist.
Licensed massage therapist, ladies.
I carry my massage table with me. I used to have a tent.
There it is.
It got damaged, so I gave it to my son. I got massage tools. I got extra tools and stuff.
The oils and all that.
That's all under the floor.
Yeah.
But this, I got a Tapotement machine, which I use on myself a lot.
But where would you put your table? You wouldn't have space in the bus, would you? Or?
I'd set up a tent or do it outside.
Okay.
People are pretty open to massage outside. Massage outside is pretty relaxing.
Okay.
People always want to do it on the patio, or I can throw the table in the truck and I can.
You can do it on the back of the deck too, probably.
Yeah,
if you want
probably.
To.
If I
watch your step.
Fall the fuck off, probably.
Where'd my masseuse go? He's on the ground.
It's possible. That would fucking hurt. It's 4-foot drop. That would hurt.
Yeah.
I have walked off having the ladder up there doing stuff.
I just step off. Yeah, I probably would do too.
Wake up 5 minutes later, go, now stupid.
Oh man, what happened there?
I've got my bathroom.
Yep. There's your bathroom.
My cat won't use a litter box. I try to make one while we're traveling. But
wow.
She won't use it, so I just pour it in my shitter.
And that's Pebbles, right?
That's Pebbles.
Yep.
She's on the table, actually.
Oh, she's here? I thought she was outside.
No, she was out all night. She's in here
Was
now.
that her that we heard earlier?
No, it wasn't. Actually.
It was probably Georgia. Yeah, Georgia. We'll talk about Georgia in another video, guys.
So this is my unit.
Oh, that's that dead thing. I'd be dead in a second.
This one's a lot harder to learn, but it's fun. This one's got a 70-mile range.
How fast does that thing go?
It says 40 plus. I've never been over 18 on this one.
40 miles an hour
I've
on
gotten
one wheel.
faster on my other wheel than I have on this one.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Actually, Gemma topped out today. She was hauling ass. Gemma topped out at 19.5 today. She's fast.
What was the reason for your roof raise? Just so you don't hit your head? Was that it? 23 inches up.
I wanted... Stupidest. I wanted to have an overhead shower.
Yes. No, that's not stupid at all. That makes sense.
I hate being sprayed in the face.
Yes, that makes sense.
I'm not that goddamn tall.
Yeah.
You know, Brett and guys that are taller.
Me, look at me.
I'll move some shit. You'll still have an overhead shower in mine. I keep my weights in here. These are 55-pound dumbbells. They go from 5 to 55.
Oh, they're the kind that change. Yeah.
I also use them as my squatty potty,
Okay.
so I can put my feet up. Shit easier.
Oh, that's what I heard about. Yeah. Okay. All right.
They kind of in here. Come around the corner a little bit.
Okay.
I usually hang my one wheel here.
Okay.
It hangs here when I'm driving. So
What does this sucker do?
That's propane CO2 detector, so I don't die.
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. I got you.
Yeah, I'm cooking in here, so that fucker's hooked up.
No, that's a good idea. Trust me.
Yeah.
I get it.
I have my toilet fan. You said I saw that outside earlier. Everything in here is pretty much cedar or cedar capped.
Okay.
My urine diverter, while I was at Lowe's the other day looking for parts, I seen this little thing, and it was like a V. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
It's a P-trap.
Yeah. Yep.
I have a P-trap in my urine.
Mm-hmm.
So most of the time when I'm clothed, I grab this little fucker here.
Yeah.
I pee and then I pour it. So
Of course.
You can hear the P-trap flush.
Okay.
So it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
When you're normally just sitting there taking a piss, you don't
It's
hear
in the front of the toilet, right?
You don't.
Usually,
Yeah. You don't hear the P-trap flush. It's just a.
Oh wow.
This one here is made by a company called Strumpet and Trollop. This is This is a prototype. She actually sent me this for shipping.
I love compost toilets, but they're so expensive.
Nah, man.
We saw the Nature's Head for over $2,000.
Okay, I'm into this for... Usually they sell these urine diverters for like $100 or so. The gals that make these, they live in the UK. The woman who actually... She has the whole box and everything. I just bought just the diverter part.
Okay.
I can build my own shit and it saves on shipping. But I'm a huge promoter of theirs. I don't make any money to promote them. I love them. I've talked to her about trying to get an affiliate link going just so I can have an affiliate link with them. Because I like to promote their stuff. Their urine diverter works really good. I've seen 2 different progressions in products with them. I saw their old product. Their old product was a fiberglass. The back of it was kind of hard to clean.
Okay.
In Florida, just so you folks know that eventually the bag is going to touch the back of the urine diverter and you're going to get flies are going to start breeding in your shitter.
Someone said that they had something down inside.
fucking hate Florida.
Someone said there was something down in there.
If your bag touches the inside of your urine diverter at any fucking place, you're eventually going to get gnat larvae.
That's what. Yes.
larvae.
No. The larvae. Yeah. Yeah.
It's kind of a nuisance. They don't do anything. It just tells you, hey, it's time to change my bathroom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When you start getting the fly larvae in Florida, it's time to do a bathroom change.
Okay.
Their old product had like a fiberglass material on it. It was hard to clean.
Okay.
This is a poured plastic. They have a new a company helping them. It's extruded plastic, so it's really easy to clean.
Okay.
It's like Tupperware. You wipe it off. I haven't had this one. The other one I left in the camper that I am selling. This one is the new material. I put it in the bus because, yeah. I want to have easy cleanup, and that other one's a little bit of a struggle. And I let them know that. I was like, and they told me that they were on new product line and they're making new extruded plastic. Yeah. And this was a demo. This she sent me for free.
Okay.
People, I guess, name drop me a lot because I drop their name all the time. Strumpet and Trollop, Strumpet. Their urine diverters work. The bottom is a uniform size, so you can hook stuff to it. I just use a rubber boot. It's about 1.25 inches. It's almost a perfect 1.25 inches. So PVC can go to their shit real easy. That's what I use all the time.
Okay.
I recommend them. I have this little accordion door thing going on. and then I just facilitated a magnet.
Oh wow,
Stays
yeah.
closed.
There you
Heather
go.
used my bathroom the other night.
Yep. She won't remember it.
It's got its own light in there on a switch, but it's not wired in yet because I'm kind of janky 12 volt and I only got hooked in what I have to.
Wow, look at this.
So
help, Pebbles.
I raised the roof 23 inches so that I could raise the floor 15 inches.
And then you dropped the floor here so you could, yeah.
I raised the roof so I could have a shower that I could have overhead.
Yeah.
This is the pinnacle point of why I raised the roof.
Right here, the shower.
Yeah.
Jeez.
It's dropped in the floor 7 inches.
When I get in mine, I have to do this. Well, I mean, you know, it's a shower, it's a shower. I wish there was more comfort involved.
If you're gonna clean, you might as well be comfortable.
Yeah, but
Right?
I don't know. It depends on what you're doing, I guess.
I have enough hair that when I've grown my hair out, I want to be comfortable when I rinse it. I don't have to be like this.
Yeah.
I want to be able to stand there and
I get in, I use the wand, and I get everything, you know,
That's
I do
fucking
a
annoying.
Navy shower. I get in, I suds it up, and then I rinse it up, and I'm
I
out.
have that set up. I have an on-off valve.
Yep.
That guy shuts it off.
Yeah.
My hot water heater works.
You could actually take a bath.
Step down in there and you'll still be looking up. So you still have an overhead shower. Really.
It's close, yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
I'm 5'10".
Wish I'd done that with mine.
You're a couple inches taller than it's perfect for me, and even with shoes on.
Yeah. Oh, oh, wow.
Right?
I am jealous. Yeah. And then you get your hot water heater right here.
And I can reach out there and adjust it.
By the way, this is propane, right?
Yeah.
And it's not.
It's ventless.
Okay.
My vent's right here.
Okay. But it is technically venting inside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they say you're not supposed to install these inside.
Okay, so here's my...
Do not install in bathroom, bedroom, basement, living room, closet.
Here's my shut the fuck up.
Ventilation.
Here's my shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Propane's heavier than air. CO2's heavier than air. I have a low room.
Yeah.
That is 12 inches lower than my living space.
All right.
All heavier than air shit is going to fall down into my low room, including cold air
Yeah. And propane.
and propane and the detectors in that room.
So I have in my setup, I used to have, you haven't seen mine, but I used to have a stack that went up.
Yeah, fuck
And
that. I got this max air fan
I
only...
hit a carport in Phoenix that crushed my roof.
Yeah.
When I brought it here to the homestead, we ripped it out and sealed the roof.
I remember seeing pictures of that.
Right.
Yeah.
So the heat, now the vent just pushes up onto the metal of the roof. That's it. There's nowhere for it to go.
We can fix that.
Well, I mean, it doesn't need to, you're
Not
saying.
really.
Because
It doesn't vent hard enough unless you are in there
for like an hour, 2 hours.
I take 7-minute shower.
Yeah, I'm in like in an 5.
Okay, so
yeah.
and then hi cat. And then I'm inside the shower. The shower curtains around me. It vents out. I turn this fucker on high.
Yeah.
I vent this window. It pulls the air.
See, I don't even do any of that. I just turn it on, shut it off. I can smell it for a little bit and then it's gone.
I don't even smell. That's not even the nicest ones. The ones that have 3 knobs on them are better because the middle knob is for altitude.
Oh, I think I might have that. It says cold hot switch.
Yeah,
depending on where you are.
Yeah,
yes.
it's an altitude thing.
Yes. Okay.
It makes you this.
I don't know how it works, but it's right in the middle. Yes.
Dylan Tanner
It says
showed
mine's
me that.
made by Gasland.
McCall Madness is the guy that I did the 5-foot extension so he could carry around his Harley.
Oh, the one with the blue.
Yeah, the blue bus. Yeah. I did a 5-foot extension on his bus so he could carry his $34,000 Harley around his absurd.
Oh my word.
But yeah, he taught me about that after I bought this stupid fucking water heater. Actually, I thought I bought the one that he had, but I was fucking wrong.
And I don't know if we mentioned this, but Zach you were Marines, and that's your flag.
I'm a Marine, and...
Oh, you never were a Marine, you are always Marines.
Oh, yeah. I'll take care of you like I am one. Everybody here is protected as such.
I understand that.
I lived in a camper for fucking 7 months, which taught me...
He's got a full stove, and he's got an oven! Oh my God!
I like to cook.
Yeah, I wish I could do that. I don't even have an oven. I got 3.
Come over here and cook if you got something on your mind.
I got 2 burners still. Oh, I can cook some amazing food.
I got a little spice rack.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is essentially my pads and shit. I gotta close this off. I was gonna use it for a pantry. I think I'm gonna use it for
Pebbles, come here.
pads and shit.
Pebbles is right by the door. She's like,
She wants to go outside.
you want to go out?
Yeah, that's what she wants.
You leaving?
Yeah.
You haven't even been on camera yet, and you leaving? Huh?
That's Pebbles' cat.
Pebbles, Pebbles, Pebbles.
I'll pick her up until she fights me. Here you go.
She's actually pretty friendly. Wow. Oh my God,
She
Zach.
I think last time I took her to the vet, she weighed 11 pounds. I think 9 to 11 pounds. Picking her up is actually quite dangerous.
She's like, yep.
She'll hurt you.
You want to go out, Pebbles?
She doesn't even let me pick her up.
Aww. Pebbles, have you met Georgia yet? She's like, I'm going to go see her right now. You want to go out?
I might
Bye,
get
Pebbles.
10 minutes of actual love from her, Dave. She
Yeah.
likes to sit on my shit. If I'm reading
I saw her on the book. Yeah.
she'll hold the book down for me for damn sure.
He's got a little educated reading over there.
I'm always reading, man. I just bought these books. These are wild edibles.
Oh, wow.
This one's a really
You think
good
you'll
book.
find some of that here in Georgia, though?
Dude, it's everywhere.
Oh, okay.
I've already found it.
Okay, yeah, I saw some pictures on the chat. I don't know what you're...
This is,
Oh, wow, look, guys. That's a legit sink right there, Zach.
we'll get around to all it.
Okay.
This is half of what was a 3-pound lion's mane mushroom that I found on a freaking tree that you could see from the road.
12, 11. Oh, it was here?
Yeah, I found this here. I went and got my dehydrator out so I could dehydrate it.
He's got a dehydrator. You could make dehydrated, dried up pineapple.
make anything. I can do anything.
I like the dehydrators, but they're expensive.
This is turkey
It's
tail
expensive.
that I found here. It also dried. This shit took 13 hours to dry.
Was that what you were working on the other day?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I kept running back and forth from the fire. Yeah.
Okay.